Are you ready to take their program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on which topic you want to give? Countries.
Countries and capital.
Okay, ready na? India. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is the capital of Norway?
Oslo.
What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
What is the capital of Sweden?
Stockholm.
What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
What is the capital of Portugal?
Lisbon.
What is the capital of Turkey?
Ankara.
What is the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
What is the capital of Philippines?
Manila.
What is the capital of Ukraine?
Kyiv.
What is the capital of Nepal?
Kathmandu.
What is the capital of Croatia?
Zagreb.
What is the capital of Iraq?
Baghdad.
What is the capital of Austria?
Vienna.
What is the capital of Iran?
Tehran.
What is the capital of Switzerland?
Bern.
What is the capital of Singapore?
Singapore.
Okay, what is the capital of Germany?
Berlin.
What is the capital of Indonesia?
Jakarta.
What is the capital of France?
Paris.
What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
What is the capital of Italy?
Rome.
What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
What is the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
What is the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Riyadh.
What is the capital of Finland?
Helsinki.
What is the capital of Iceland?
Reykjavik.
What is the capital of Poland?
Warsaw.
What is the capital of United Kingdom?
London.
What is the capital of Denmark?
Copenhagen.
What is the capital of Netherlands?
Amsterdam.
What is the capital of Romania?
Bucharest.
What is the capital of Hungary?
Budapest.
What is the capital of Greece?
Athens.
What is the capital of Kenya?
Nairobi.
What is the capital of Zimbabwe?
Harare.
What is the capital of South Africa?
Capital Pretoria.
What is the capital of Nigeria?
Abuja.
What is the capital of Algeria?
Algiers.
What is the capital of Morocco?
Rabat.
What is the capital of Brazil?
Brasilia.
What is the capital of Argentina?
Buenos Aires.
What is the capital of Venezuela?
Caracas.
What is the capital of Colombia?
Bogota.
What is the capital of Peru?
Lima.
What is the capital of Chile?
Santiago.
What is the capital of United States?
Washington DC.
What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
What is the capital of Cuba?
Havana.
What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
What is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
Very good. Clap.